డే స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో హీట్ లెసన్ లోని బిట్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ బిట్, ద డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ హాట్నెస్ ఆర్ కోల్డ్నెస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ డాష్. ఆప్షన్ ఏ హీట్, బి హ్యూమిడిటీ, సి డ్యూ, డి టెంపరేచర్. ఆన్సర్ is ఆప్షన్ డి టెంపరేచర్. సెకండ్ బిట్, ద స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ ఎ బాడీ where it neither receives nor gives out heat energy is dash. A. Temperature, B. Thermal equilibrium, C. Heat, D. Dew. Answer is option B. Thermal equilibrium. Third bit, 1 calorie is equal to dash joules. A. 42, B. 420, C. 4.18, D. 41.8. Answer is option C. 4.18. Fourth bit, rate of evaporation depends on dash. A. Surface area, B. Temperature, C. Vapor already present, D. All of the above. Answer is option D. All of the above. Fifth bit, the latent heat of evaporation of water is dash calorie per gram. A. 540, B. 90, C. 80, D. 100. Answer is option A. 540. Sixth bit, the heat energy is used to change the state of water from liquid to vapor is called dash. A. Latent heat of evaporation, B. Latent heat of fusion, C. Temperature, D. Boiling. Answer is option A. Latent heat of vaporization. Seventh bit, the boiling point of water is dash Kelvin. A. 273, B. 373, C. 173, D. 73. Answer is option B. 373. Eighth bit, ice melts at dash Kelvin. A. 173, B. 273, C. 373, D. 473. Answer is option B. 273. Ninth bit, heat energy required to convert solid into liquid is called dash. A. Latent heat of evaporation, B. Latent heat of condensation, C. Latent heat of sublimation, D. Latent heat of fusion. Answer is option D. Latent heat of fusion. 10th bit, latent heat of fusion of ice is dash calorie per gram. A. 120, B. 80, C. 100, D. 540. Answer is option B. 80. 11th bit, water dash on freezing. A. Contracts, B. Expands, C. No change, D. None of these. Answer is option B. Expands. 12th bit, the process of converting solid into liquid is called dash. A. Freezing, B. Melting, C. Boiling, D. Condensation. Answer is option B. Melting. 13th bit, the heat energy required to convert liquid completely into gas at constant temperature is called dash. A. Latent heat of sublimation, B. Latent heat of condensation, C. Latent heat of vaporization, D. Latent heat of fusion. Answer is option C. Latent heat of vaporization. 14. 1 kilojoule is equal to dash joules. A. 10, B. 100, C. 1000, D. 10,000. Answer is option C. 1000. 15. The process in which the substance in liquid phase changes to solid phase by losing some energy is called dash. A. Melting, B. Freezing, C. Sublimation, D. Condensation. Answer is option B. Freezing. 16. Freezing of water takes place at dash atmospheric pressure and dash degree centigrade. A. 0,1, B. 1,0, C. 100,1, D. 1,100. Answer is option B. 1,0. That means 1 atmospheric pressure and 0 degree centigrade. 17th bit, which of the following is the SI unit of latent heat of vaporization? A. Calorie per gram, B. Joule, C. Calorie, D. joule per kilogram. Answer is option D, joule per kilogram. 18th bit, the average kinetic energy of the molecules is dash to the absolute temperature. A. Directly proportional. B. Inversely proportional. C. Equal. D. None of these. Answer is option A. Directly proportional. 90th bit. Which of the following is the CGS unit of heat? A. Joule. B. Calorie. C. Kelvin. D. Celsius. Answer is option B. Calorie. 20. Which of the following is the SI unit of heat? A. Joule. B. Calorie. C. Celsius. D. Kelvin. Answer is option A. Joule. 21. Which of the following substances have low specific heat value? A. Mercury. B. Zinc. C. Copper. D. Lead. Answer is option D. Lead. 22nd. Which of the following is the SI unit of temperature? A. Kelvin. B. Celsius. C. Fahrenheit. D. None of these. Answer is option A. Kelvin. 23rd. For same change in temperature, the amount of heat absorbed by a substance is dashed to its mass. A. Equal. B. Directly proportional. C. Inversely proportional. D. Not proportional. Answer is option B. Directly proportional. 24. Freezing of water takes place at dash degrees temperature. A. 0 degrees centigrade. B. 100 degrees centigrade. C. 110 degrees centigrade. D. minus 5 degrees centigrade. Answer is option A. 0 degrees centigrade. 25. Which of the following is a form of energy? A. Temperature. B. Heat. C. Thermal equilibrium. D. All of the above. Answer is option B. Heat. 26. Which of the following is SI unit of specific heat? A. Joule per kilogram Kelvin. B. Joule per kilogram per Kelvin. C. Kilogram Kelvin per joule. D. Kelvin joule per kilogram. Answer is option A. Joule per kilogram Kelvin. 27. Which of the following formula is used to know the specific heat value? 27. Which of the following formula is used to know the specific heat value? A. S is equal to Q by M delta T. B. S is equal to M by Q delta T. C. S is equal to delta T by MQ. D. S is equal to Q delta T by M. Answer is option A. S is equal to Q by M delta T. 28. The CGS unit of heat is calorie. Then 1 calorie value is dash. A. 4.186 calorie. B. 4.186 joules. C. 4.186 coulombs. D. 4.186 joule. 28. The CGS unit of heat is calorie. Then 1 calorie value is dash. A. 4.186 calorie. B. 4.186 joules. C. 4.186 coulombs. D. 4816 joules. Answer is option B. 4.186 joules. 29. Temperature of a body is proportional to dash energy. A. Kinetic. B. Potential. C. Vibrational. D. Electrical. Answer is option A. Kinetic. 30. We need which of the following if you heat to convert degree Celsius to Kelvin temperature in Kelvin is equal dash. A. 273 plus temperature in Kelvin. B. 273 plus temperature in Fahrenheit. C. 273 plus temperature in degree Celsius. D. None of these. Answer is option C. 273 plus temperature in degree Celsius. 31. According to the principle of method of mixtures. A. Net heat loss is equal to net heat gain. B. Net heat loss is less than net heat gain. C. Net heat loss greater than net heat gain. D. All of the above. Answer is option A. Net heat loss is equal to net heat gain. 32. The linear kinetic energy of the molecules is increased with the heat energy that received, then its temperature is dash. A. Decreases. B. Increases. C. Does not change. D. Depends on the material. Answer is option B. Increases. 33. Temperature of your body is proportional to dash of the molecules. A. Vibration energy. B. Average kinetic energy. C. Rotational energy. D. Potential energy. Answer is option B. Average kinetic energy. 34. The specific heat of water in SI system is dash. A. 4.186 joule per gram degree centigrade. B. 4.186 joule per kilogram degree centigrade. C. 420 joule per kilogram. D. 4186 joule per kilogram Kelvin. Answer is option D. 4186 joule per kilogram Kelvin. 35. Water is used as coolant because dash. A. It has the highest specific heat. B. It absorbs lot of energy before it turns to vapor. C. It is the cheapest and easily available. D. All of the above. Answer is option D. All of the above. 36. The heat energy required to change a liquid at its boiling point into gaseous state without any rise in temperature is called dash. A. Latent heat of evaporation. B. Specific heat. C. Thermal capacity. D. None of these. Answer is option A. Latent heat of vaporization. 37. Two bodies A and B having same temperature are in contact for the last 5 hours. Then heat transfers from dash. A to B. B to A. C. Not sure. D. No transfer between them. Answer is option D. No transfer between them. 38. Required heat energy to change the temperature of 1 gram of water from 273 Kelvin to 274 Kelvin is dash. A. 1 calorie. B. 4.18 joules. C. 273 Kelvin. D. A or B. Answer is option B. 4.18 joules. 39. Which one is odd among the following? A. Heat absorbed. B. Rise in temperature. C. Density of substance. D. Mass of substance. Answer is option C. Density of substance. 40. The reason for leaving the gap in the bottle is dash. A. Heat capacity. B. Anomalous expansion. C. Specific heat. D. Latent heat. Answer is option B. Anomalous expansion. 41. Ice floats on water. Reason for this is dash. A. Density of ice is less than density of water. B. Depends on atmospheric pressure. C. Density of ice is equal to density of water. D. Density of ice is greater than density of water. Answer is option A. Density of ice is less than density of water. 42. The temperature for which Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale give same reading. Answer. Option A. 40 degrees. B. 0 degrees. C. Minus 40 degrees. D. 100 degrees. Answer is option C. Minus 40 degrees. 43. The amount of water vapor present in air is known as dash. A. Vapor pressure. B. Humidity. C. Liquidity. D. Purity. Answer is option B. Humidity. 44. The water droplets condensed on the surface of grass, flowers, window panes, etc. is known as dash. A. Humidity. B. Dew, smoke. D. Fog. Answer is option B. Dew. 45. Heat required to change the temperature of 1 gram or 1 kilogram through 1 degree centigrade is dash. A. Specific heat. B. Heat capacity. C. Calorimetry. D. Latent heat. Answer is option A. Specific heat. 46. Dash is the heat required to change the temperature of the whole body through 1 degree centigrade. A. Calorimetry. B. Heat capacity. C. Specific heat. D. Latent heat. Answer is option B. Heat capacity. 47. Formula of heat capacity is dash. A. Mass into temperature. B. Mass into delta T. C. Mass by temperature. D. Mass of body into specific heat. Answer is option D. Mass of body into specific heat. 48. Specific heat of water is 4.2 joule per gram degree centigrade and mass of water is 20,000 gram. Then heat capacity is dash. A. 84,000. B. 8400. C. 840. D. 84 into 10 to the power 4. Answer is 84,000. 49. 1 kilocalorie is equal to 1000 calories is equal to dash joules. A. 420. B. 4200. C. 42. D. 4.2. Answer is option B. 4200. 50. Which one of the following temperature scales is based on energy? A. Celsius scale. B. Fahrenheit scale. C. Kelvin scale. D. None of these. Answer is option C. Kelvin scale. 51. Which one of the following temperatures scales cannot take negative values? A. Kelvin scale. B. Fahrenheit scale. C. Celsius scale. D. None of these. Answer is option A. Kelvin scale. 52. The constant temperature at which a solid gets converted into liquid is known as dash. A. Boiling point. B. Freezing point. C. Condensation point. D. Melting point. Answer is option D. Melting point. 53. Which of the following thermometer scales is known as absolute scales temperature? A. Celsius scale. B. Fahrenheit scale. C. Kelvin scale. D. None of these. Answer is option C. Kelvin scale. 54. Normal human body temperature can be expressed as dash. A. 98.4 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 36.9 degrees centigrade. C. 309.9 Kelvin. D. All of the above. Answer is option D. All of above. 55. The heat provided to a substance during change of state increases dash. A. Rotational kinetic energy. B. Vibrational kinetic energy. C. Potential energy. D. Translational kinetic energy. Answer is option C. Potential energy. 56. Which of the following is a cooling process? A. Evaporation. B. Boiling. C. Both A and B. D. None. Answer is option A. Evaporation. 57. Water droplets on cold soft drink bottle kept in open air due to dash. A. Evaporation. B. Condensation. C. Sublimation. D. Freezing. Answer is option B. Condensation. 58. The constant temperature at which a liquid gets converted into gas is known as dash. A. Boiling point. B. Melting point. C. Freezing point. D. Triple point. Answer is option A. Boiling point. 59. Dash takes place at a fixed temperature which is called the boiling point of the liquid. A. Evaporation. B. Heat capacity. C. Heat. D. Vaporization. Answer is option D. Vaporization. 60. Freezing of water starts from dash to dash. A. Top to downwards. B. Downward to top. C. Cannot say. D. End to end. Answer is option A. Top to downward. 61. The heat energy supplied to a substance during boiling is known as dash. A. Latent heat of fusion. B. Latent heat of evaporation. C. Boiling heat. D. Specific heat. Answer is option B. Latent heat of vaporization. 62. The natural direction of heat flow is from dash. A. Cold body to hot body. B. Hot body to cold body. C. Cold body to cold body. D. Hot body to hot body. Answer is option B. Hot body to cold body. 63. Which of the following phenomena are reverse of each other? A. Evaporation and boiling. B. Melting and boiling. C. Evaporation and condensation. D. Melting and evaporation. Answer is option C. Evaporation and condensation. 64. Flow of heat energy between two bodies of system requires dash. A. Pressure difference. B. Temperature difference. C. Potential difference. D. All of these. Answer is option B. Temperature difference. 65. Two bodies are said to be in thermal equilibrium when they dash. A. Have same mass. B. Are at same temperature. C. Have same amount of internal energy. D. Have same amount of heat energy. Answer is option B. Are at same temperature. 66. Which of the following molecular energies is a direct measure of temperature of a substance? A. Linear kinetic energy. B. Rotational kinetic energy. C. Vibrational kinetic energy. D. Potential energy. Answer is option A. Linear kinetic energy. 67. The heat energy supplied to a substance during melting is known as dash. A. Specific heat. B. Latent heat of fusion. C. Latent heat of evaporation. D. Melting heat. Answer is option B. Latent heat of fusion. 68. The branch of physics that deals with the same measurement of heat energy is known as A. Thermometry. B. Pyrometry. C. Calorimetry. D. Pipilometry. Answer is option C. Calorimetry. 69. The process in which the molecules of a liquid escape from its surface at any temperature is known as A. Melting. B. Freezing. C. Condensation. D. Evaporation. Answer is option D. Evaporation. 70. The branch of physics that deals with the measurement of temperature is known as A. Calorimetry. B. Thermometry. C. Pyrometry. D. Pipilometry. Answer is option B. Thermometry. 71. The amount of heat requires to raise the temperature of unit mass of substance through 1 degree centigrade is known as A. Latent heat capacity. B. Specific heat capacity. C. Caloric capacity. D. Thermal heat capacity. Answer is option B. Specific heat capacity. 72. Watermelon brought out from refrigerator retains its coolness for a long time because it contains dash. A. Large percentage of water. B. Large mass. C. Low percentage of water. D. Small mass. Answer is option A. Large percentage of water. 73. Which of the following is the reverse process of evaporation? A. Boiling. B. Evaporation. C. Condensation. D. Melting. Answer is option C. Condensation. 74. The reason for quick hotness of sand is more than the side water in the river. This is because of dash. A. Specific heat of water is more than sand. B. Specific heat of water is less than sand. C. Specific heat of water is equal to sand. D. Local conditions. Answer is option A. Specific heat of water is more than sand. 75. When ice melts, its temperature dash. A. Remains constant. B. Increases. C. Decreases. D. Cannot say. Answer is option A. Remains constant. 76. The reason for sweating at Vizag even though it is cooler than Vijayawada is dash. A. Humidity at Vijayawada is high. B. Humidity at Vizag is high. C. Local conditions. D. All of the above. Answer is option B. Humidity at Vizag is high. 77. Different gases are situated at same temperature. Which value remains same for all gases? A. Mass. B. Velocity. C. Linear momentum. D. Average kinetic energy. Answer is option D. Average kinetic energy. 78. Which of the following extinguishes fire quickly? A. Water at 0 degree centigrade. B. Water at 50 degree centigrade. C. Water at 100 degree centigrade. D. Water at 4 degree centigrade. Answer is option C. Water at 100 degree centigrade. 79. The specific heat of iron is dash calorie per gram degree centigrade. A. 0.031. B. 0.092. C. 1. D. 0.115. Answer is option D. 0.115. 80. Which of the following substances has the highest specific heat? A. Iron. B. Kerosene oil. C. Ice. D. Water. Answer is option D. Water. Thank you. Thank you one and all.
Please do like, share this video and subscribe to our channel.